Hey everyone, it's Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I have a new pattern in my shop. These are the Cuddly Faux Fur Slippers. There are two. They are new to the shop. I love these so much. They are similar to the Cozy Loaf slippers in that they are made with the Lion brand homespun. I love this yarn for slippers. I found out how much I enjoy this yarn in making slippers. And then the Lion brand Go for Faux fur. This one's Sparkle in Snow, I believe. And I love how they turned out. They're so cute. They're so comfy. And then I added, so it's actually got a toggle. It's a flap. And then I added a toggle button and I made a loop out of the yarn of the base, and it's got a little toggle on both sides. Isn't that cute? I love that. So these are in my shop now. The links are below so you can go check them out. They are women's slippers, but they are very stretchy, so you could definitely get them into a guy's foot. If the larger size, I would say probably could stretch up to maybe a men's 11. I would say they're super stretchy. Like you could really get some feet in there. So, don't think that they can only be made for women. You can definitely work them out for the guys as well if they want to steal them from you. So go check them out in the shop. It gives all the information and the different sizes available. I hope you enjoy these. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.